Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is the vlogging series on every Wednesday, second vlog for the year. I haven't not been doing much this week. I'm just letting you guys know for a fact. I am trying to do my best. I am sick. Everyone in the house been sick, rotating, and majority of my friends are getting sick as well. It's that time of season when everyone all around us gets sick, and you get sick, and you've been drinking a lot of what you call it, Nyquil and everything else for that as well. And working on the gray orcs, there's multiple gray orcs. Then we do some mountain orcs. We did some dark angels, and we'll be finishing up the dark angels. A couple of the units left for it. That will be scheduled. A lot of the short videos that are out are recent videos that's been done and been printed, painted as well. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord down below. We are going to get the Fnatic Warhammer, no, Fnatic Army Painters paint once it comes out. The pre-order has not been out yet for me to get one. Um, we are going to be setting up for a new printer, and there's not really much been going. I've been playing Persona 3 Portable on the Switch. I have never actually beat Persona 3. So I'm actually going to beat it and put on the secondary channel. The link will be down there on the link as well, because the Persona 3 Reloaded will be out in February. Reason why I did not play much of 3 is I did not like the play style for it. I played 1, 2, 4, and 5. 3 is the one I tried to play through, but I really couldn't. But I'm actually going to soldier on through with 3 so that I can play 3 Reloaded for it and see what the difference is, and hopefully the review. I don't know. I'm going to do really a review for it. But yeah, I'm printing Naname for Ashley to do a painting video for you guys for this channel as well. The first print was flawless. I'm just waiting for it to get a little bit warmer in the garage when it hits spring and towards closer to summer, to do a lot more bigger and more prints due to the fact that SLA printers and printers in general don't really do well in the cold, and my printers in the garage. And I need to clean out the garage so that I can make more of a work place for it. But it is what it is, I would say. But I do like how my Dark Angels came to be, though. These are the Terminator ones that just been painted. The videos of this will be out towards the beginning of March. That has been scheduled. A lot of my videos are scheduled for regular, normal, and speed painting throughout the month, so that you have videos almost every single day. Basically, that's how I'm going to do it. But I'm going to be switching that around, probably like 4 painting videos a month, and so that I can actually have time to do a live stream painting session with you guys. If you guys are interested in me doing live streaming some of my paints, but other than that, I am going to be looking at trying to get some better terrains for the bottom piece of this is a blank one, but all I've been using was sand, and I want to experiment with tufts and also synthetic terrain pieces as well, and see how I like it for that matter. But we will see how that goes depending on how much money I get or donate it. You know, I can donate plasma all I want, but it's so much limited on how much I can actually spend that kind of money on a lot of other things. Especially this year, everything is a lot more expensive, especially the food price has gone up. Gas went down a bit by 10, 20 cents a gallon, but still, everything adds up. And yeah, that's basically all I have so far. So we're going to have Persona 3 Reloaded next month. We'll be doing unboxing for the Final Fantasy VII Rebirth Collector Edition I'm getting. I did not. That Square Enix hopefully will be mailing it on time. We'll be doing a couple live stream videos on the secondary channel for Persona 3 Reloaded because it does not come out with the Switch for the collector edition. So I got for the PlayStation 5, and the Rebirth is no matter what PlayStation 5 until a year later. You can play on the computer or Xbox for that matter as well. Um, yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. If you have any questions or you guys want me to do certain things, please let me know. I still have Chaos Armies I need to paint. I still have a lot of Corn army as well, the World Eater army that I need to paint. I printed. I got some Lewd Warhammer paints I do want to paint, but I do not want to put it in this in the YouTube. I want to put on the Patreon, but I don't want to put a Patreon if I'm not really getting, some kind of support for it. But that's that's how things really are. It's just very complicated. Uh, you know, it's one of those things. January, you're not going to get that much views. It will start picking back up towards towards February. Usually, a lot of YouTubers do take a break in January. I took like a week or two of a break because I had so much videos pushed, like so far ahead. I just do shorts every day on what I'm doing and stuff like that. But other than that, everything's been pretty swell. I'll say. Hopefully, I'll get some more updates for you by next week. Well, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Check out the Patreon videos as well if you want to see what's happening on this month. A lot of times, more of them will be coming out towards like after the 15th and 17th. That's when a lot of the January stuff will be coming out for the Patreon STLs. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.